So let's see today's dal recipe. Now here I've taken 1 cup of cooked dal. I'll explain to you how I cook the dal. Then I have 1 medium onion chopped fine, 1 medium tomato chopped fine. This is about 1/4 cup of fresh coriander leaves chopped fine, 2 light green chilies chopped fine. These are about 4 cloves of garlic chopped fine, a few curry leaves, say about 7 to 8 curry leaves, you can keep them whole or chop them, and 1 inch of ginger chopped fine. Now I've taken a pan and I've heated about 1 tablespoon of oil in the pan. And once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, also known as mori or rye. Once the mustard seeds begin to splutter, we're going to add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, followed by half a teaspoon each of asafoetida or hinga and turmeric powder or haldi. Next, we're going to add the ginger that we've chopped fine. You can even add it grated, the curry leaves, as well as the garlic. Now fry the ginger and of course the green chilies too. And we're going to fry all of this really well so that it flavors the oil well, as well as the rawness of the ginger and the garlic goes away. Now for my dal, what I did is I took 1 cup of Toor Dal, washed it well, kept it in about 3 cups of water for about 15 minutes, and then I pressure cooked it for 1 whistle on high and for about 5 to 10 minutes, 10 minutes exactly on a simmer. Okay, now we're going to add 1 medium chopped onion fine, 1 medium onion chopped fine, and we're going to fry the onion really well. So once the cooker gets nice and comes to room temperature, you can take out the dal and then just use a wooden whisk or a regular whisk that you have at home and just whisk the dal till you get a nice smooth consistency. So now we're going to cover and cook all of this bagar till the onions become nice and soft. Now we're going to add the tomato that we had chopped fine. And we're going to fry the tomato too. So we want to cook the tomato so it should be nice and soft. So fry the tomato also for another 2 to 3 minutes. So once you whisk the cooked dal, you should get a very smooth consistency like I showed you in the beginning of the video. That is the consistency we're looking for. Now I'm going to add half of the coriander leaves that we chopped fine. That adds a nice flavor to the bagar. Now mix everything really well and now cover and cook this for about 2 minutes till the tomatoes become nice and soft, so that when you press them down with your spatula, they immediately, become a kind of a paste. They should not be very firm, they should be nice and soft and mushy. So get the tomatoes cooked really, really well. That way you'll get a nice smooth kind of a dal. You won't get a big pieces of tomato. So this is the consistency of the dal, and this has got the water also that we cook the dal in. So we're going to add the dal along with the water. So always ensure that your dal is nicely cooked. You shouldn't have the actual pieces of dal. It should be very smooth and cooked well. And now just mix everything nicely together. Now since we cooked that 1 cup of dal with 3 cups of water, you don't need to add extra water now. So mix everything nicely. Stir it on a low to medium flame. Now we're just going to add half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix in the chili powder well. And now we're going to add some salt to taste. And that's about all the ingredients we're going to add for this dal. This is a very simple and light dal, and it goes really well with some rice and some side dish like any vegetable or any non-veg dish also. Or you can just have this plain dal, rice, some mango pickle and some papad and some salad. So just cook the dal for another 5 to 10 minutes and then garnish it with the remaining fresh coriander that we chopped up fine. And that's it, guys. Your dal gets ready very fast, very quickly, because we've already pre-cooked the dal in the pressure cooker, so you don't need to cook this dal for a very long time. So I'm just going to cover and cook it for another 5 minutes. And that's it. And your lovely dal, your simple dal is all ready to enjoy. So do try out this recipe and do let me know in the comment section as to how you liked this dal. I'll catch you in my next video, guys. Take care. Bye.
Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.